Hi guys, and with this bite of the mince pie, I officially declare it Christmas. Let's see what we've got. Starting off with this unbelievably festive painted silver Eucalyptus Parvifolia. This delightfully bushy Waxflower. These unbelievable white Avalanche roses. This beautiful white Lisianthus. And some tall structural Pussywillow. Always remember your flower care. Snip an inch off the end of all your stems. And use your flower food. Let's stuff this turkey. No, that was two. How would you say it? Let's stuff this turkey. Start with your roses arranged evenly around the edge of the vase. Fill the gaps with your Lisianthus in an even triangle. Fill out the middle with your lovely Waxflower. Add your eucalyptus stems to the very centre and pull the branches through and out. Finish with your wonderful Pussywillow dotted throughout. Have a slurp of hot chocolate and you're done. Enjoy!
Where the road lay round about, deep and crisp and even.